In this video, we are going to discuss about how to configure the PC. So how to assign the IP address to the PC, how to configure the gateway protocol, everything will be discussed in the practical in the packet tracer.
How to configure the PC0 using the configuration mode, and under the configuration mode global settings you can see here that the display name can be changed, and also you can see about the DHCP automatic IP assigning or a static can be chosen. So coming to the desktop, when you choose this IP configuration, you can clearly see DHCP. So when we choose the DHCP, IP address is auto assigned including with the subnet mask, and also the default gateway is also auto assigned, and you can see here the IPv6 configuration is auto configured. So you can change it to static and you can enter the IP address. So automatically the subnet mask will be auto configured here, and you can give the default gateway also, so that you can choose static or DHCP for your PC. So that how many number of PCs are there, you can statically you can assign the IP address and subnet mask, else you can auto config by using DHCP or auto configuration options here. So you see the gateway is given here, which is chose to static back. Okay, you can see the port status for fast Ethernet 0 is on, and the bandwidth is auto. You have three options under the bandwidth. There are 100 Mbps, 10 Mbps and auto. Coming to duplex, you have half duplex and full duplex. It is chosen as auto, and given the MAC address, you can see for this PC the MAC address is 0060.5c72.6764, and you can see the IP address is what I have mentioned there has been copied again into this configuration mode for the fast Ethernet 0. So this is about the attributes you can clearly see, and about the tabs here. So this is about the PC configuration using the desktop tab as well as the configuration tab. After going into the IP configuration, we configure the IP addresses and subnet mask statically or dynamically by using DHCP option there.